You can't do that.
Watch your hands.
The fan's on, so
Yeah.
just an FYI.
Yeah, gotta keep the ball in the dot and the yellow too.
It's not gonna happen.
I'm telling you, obese people can't do this.
You should probably do it on your right leg if you're right. This is so
I'd have
pretty
fallen
with the
off
bottom
of it by
hanging
now.
out.
Exhale and lower your arms and leg, returning to a standing position.
Easy. Easy, sleazy.
Move to the other leg.
Other leg. Holy crap.
That's what he does. He yells at the lady in the exercise video.
Ugly. So ugly. Your tree is just ugly. You're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it.
You're a little shaky.
Your foot is your foot is not where it's supposed to be.
Put your hand. Watch your hand.
Dude, you're gonna get your hand smacked.
Inhale through your nose.
Where is the shit is?
Okay.